Hello everyone and welcome back to another tips video. First of all, can I just thank each and every one of you for supporting our channel so far. And if you want to continue supporting us and making these amazing videos for you, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell notification so that you'll be updated of any new videos that we release. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best ways to repair damaged MKV files. The truth is, we've all encountered a corrupt MKV video file at some point in our life. Whether it's a movie or a complete TV series, having a damaged MKV video file can literally ruin your entertainment experience. So if you've been stuck with a corrupt MKV file, then be sure to watch the video right up until the end so that you can easily repair your video file and you can continue watching your favorite shows and movies. So what is MKV? Well, MKV, for those of you who don't know, is a file format which is used to compress different video files such as movies and TV series. Even though a corrupt MKV file is really rare, there are chances for them to get damaged, especially when they're being downloaded from a server, for example. The easiest way to tell if an MKV file is corrupt is just to check its behavior. So for example, if your video file is playing back jerky or is out of sync or choppy, then it's most likely damaged. In many cases, a corrupt video file actually won't play at all and normally displays an error message in your video player. Fortunately, MKV videos can easily be repaired. So without wasting any more of your time, let's walk through some of the different methods that you can use to fix your video file. In a lot of cases, the problem isn't actually to do with the file itself. Instead, it can actually be caused by an incomplete download or file transfer, which actually might be the reason why you are stuck with a damaged MKV file. This usually happens when the downloading or file transfer gets interrupted by, for example, a power cut. In this case, the most suitable way to make sure that the file works again is actually just to download or transfer it again. Without the right codecs, your media player actually won't be able to play your video file. If that's the case, then you should either try and find and install the right codecs for your media player, or just simply switch to a different media player that supports the MKV file format. If you're using Windows Media Player, you can configure it to install the right codecs for MKV files by literally following these couple of easy steps. So let's get into it. Firstly, open up Windows Media Player and tap the Tools menu. Now select the Options button in the Tools menu. Then navigate to the Players tab and select Download Codecs automatically. What this will do is Windows Media Player will look online for the most suitable codecs and install them automatically for you. Once done, just try and play the file again through Windows Media Player. In case you're still unable to play the file, try switching to a different media player like VLC or GOMPlayer. If you've downloaded the file successfully and you've got the right media player, one other issue that you may come across is an outdated display driver, which might be the reason why you're unable to play the video. In this case, you can repair the damaged MKV file just by updating the drivers to the latest version. What you want to do is press Windows and X and then click on Device Manager. Then expand the display adapter option and right click your current display driver. Now tap the Update Driver Software button and your system will automatically install the latest version of those drivers. Restart your computer and you'll be able to now play your MKV file without facing any other issues. Apart from playing different media file formats, VLC is super powerful. VLC can actually be used to repair your damaged MKV files. All you have to do is follow these couple of easy steps and you can repair your damaged MKV file and get it back to normal again. So what you want to do is right click the damaged MKV file and tap the rename option to change the extension of the file to AVI. Now, launch VLC Media Player and select Preferences under the Tools option. Tap Input Codecs and a new window will open up. Then use the drop-down menu under the File tab to select the Always Fix option. Finally, just tap Save to save your preferences and try playing the video file again using VLC. At this point, your MKV file is most likely working again. However, if you're still unable to play your file, then it means that that file is damaged quite severely. In such cases, it would actually be better for you to use a professional video repair tool like Wondershare Video Repair. This is a feature-rich video repair tool specifically tailored to repair different types of non-playing video formats, including MKV files. Let's take you through a quick guide on how to use Wondershare Video Repair to repair your damaged MKV video files. First of all, launch the video repair tool and click Add to add the damaged MKV file from your computer. Then click Repair in the bottom left-hand corner and the tool will initiate the repairing process. Once the process completes, tap the play icon to preview and check if the file is working or not. In most cases, the quick repair feature can fix the damaged video files in literally seconds. If the file still has some issues, then maybe your video file is damaged severely. At this point, you can choose the advanced repair option. You'll be asked to add a sample file. Just tap the small folder icon to choose a specific file. The tool will use the sample file to repair the damaged MKV video file. Once repaired, tap the Save All button and choose a destination to save the repaired MKV video file. And that's it. Very simple to use this Wondershare video tool to repair your MKV files. We understand that getting stuck with a corrupt MKV file can be super frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of watching a movie or binge watching TV session. However, you can repair damaged MKV files by following the methods that we've discussed in this video. Irrespective of the causes, these methods will help you fix your corrupt video file. In case you face any issues while repairing the video files, let us know in the comment section down below. If this video has helped you out, then give us a like and hit that subscribe button so that you can watch more videos like this. Anyway, everyone, look after yourselves and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.